touching the ships. They thought it was gone, but it isn't. One swing and the whole thing flips. Pressure builds, then it fades. Fake momentum gets played. One more test on the tape, and the trap snaps away. 786 plays the play. 786 stand out the way. They lean in hard and it turns. Real ones know what that earns. 786 plays the play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return. Yeah. Oh, golden pockets list out a few miles. Now the same old crowd goes silent. They were loud when the candles went wild. Now they stuck in the wrong alignment. I saw the trap in the structure, saw the rush in the rupture. You can keep that momentum talk. I'm on the edge where the flux starts. Hit in the pullback, perfect. One more tap and it works. Yes, they all piled in as service. Then the train got nervous. Pressure builds, then it fades. Fake momentum gets played. One more test on the tape, then the trap snaps away. 786 pays to play. 786 stand out the way. They lean in hard, then it turns. Real ones know what that earns. 786 pays to play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return. I don't need hype, I need proof. One sharp move, one clean truth. If it don't hold, I don't flinch. If it does, I'm in that inch. South side, wake up, then reverse. Every overconfident curse. I don't run with the herd. I let the market say the word. 786 pays to play. 786 stand out the way. They lean in hard, then it turns. Real ones know what that earns. 786 pays to play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return. The sun clocked out on me. I still got smoke in my teeth. Ran through the glare all day. Now I can barely breathe. Count what I kept, what slip. Count what I cut, what bled. No time for a frozen screen when the whole room wants your head. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. Markets went beast mode on us. Rooms got cold and loud. Everybody talking big till the numbers come down. I kept my hands on the wheel even when it shook hard. Eyes on the line in the sand. Heart in the blacked out yard. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. just the way that it drifts. If the bell says it's over, then I stand with the truth. I don't need a new story, I just need proof. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the stars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left.
Count it up. 1, 2. This is a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Chest, one move, then the next. No drift, no maybe, no star. I want the whole damn wall. Every inch wants more. Every win opens a door. If the wheel keeps turning clean, you can feel it in your skin. Don't bet the doubt. Don't feed the break. When it locks in place, that's the shape of alive. I don't blink, I don't swipe. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright stars never grow. But when the edge feels true, I go harder than I know. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small stuff stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I cut loose the tired and tame. Burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. One good yes can change the room. One true move can split the gloom. Momentum's king, and I know what to do.
Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow.
Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a debt.
Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small.
Still in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall.
Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop. Hey!
Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the doubt off. Watch it drop, bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, 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 rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in. Weight on my shoulders, turn it into stock. Every hit I'm taking only sharpens up the rock. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 step by step I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shut at the top, long at the base. But from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts. Hey! Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the chains off, let them drop. Bank on chop, I'm the storm you can't outrun. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long till the heartbeat says I'm done. Chop, chop, chop. chest, hit shout, bank on chop.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan the CISO, Javi the Maestro. We are trading the last hour of the week. Javi, how you doing today, brother?
Really good, man. Really freaking good. It's been
Oh, man.
this has been a really fun week for me, man. Like the whole week. It's been great. How about yours?
Good, man. Actually, didn't trade this morning,
Oh, yeah.
so, but yeah, chilling.
Hey, sweet, man. Yeah, you're still chilling, man. Yeah, I finally got my Lucid Live account. Made like, let me see, like 700 on it. I'm gonna build that one up slowly. I'm not gonna do what I've done with the other ones where I like get a little payout and then YOLO the fuck out of them. Usually I double or triple what they give me and then I YOLO it. It's kind of a bad habit, huh, to do that. Like, right, you make good profit on a funded, and then you YOLO it just for shits and giggles. It's a really bad habit. That's something I haven't fully been able to break out of. Like when I like on the pros, right? I make right now. I'm on that pro that I loaded up this week. I think I made 1,000 every day, so I'm up like 4 or 5, and I've been locking it out after 1,000, just to see if I can withstand having fun on that one. So I'll try to protect that one because the other ones I'm being careful with, but this one is usually a fun one. And I'm trying to be like, you know what? Let's not YOLO it. Let's just treat it normal. But I fucking want to YOLO it so bad. I already made 4K off of it, but I just want to YOLO it so bad. It's already locked up for today though, so I don't have to worry about that. Let's see. Oh, you have to open up a new window for it. That's right. That's right. All right. Well, you guys got to watch Saucebox get respected up here a couple times. And again, right, we're just chopping around. We need to break that 473 next. Even if it does, expect to pull back up to retest. It's slowly trickling down, but that 5-minute also needs to hold underneath 475. And then we have this 15 minutes 468 level. So this whole area is going to get really choppy, I think. Let's see. There's that one. That's that. What? No, don't tell me. Don't tell me. It just. That makes no sense right there. Okay. All right. See if she continues to go down or not. I mean, it's going to get wicky. So this area's, you got to be careful around this area.
Did I eat on the charts today? I didn't trade today.
Then my pro. That's the pro for today. That's a nice pay. So these are the two ones that I get paid from today. I already got an Apex payout yesterday as well. But those are the two. And everything else. Okay, she's pushing now. She's pushing now. Can she continue to go? We got to stay under 468 on a 15-minute closure, which we still got a whiles to go. And then we have room to 253. Below 253, there goes. There she goes. Below 253, we have a ton of room down all the way to potentially 419, 420. My favorite number. Oh yeah, look at that. Frickin' beauty. All right, look at that. Oh God, I love these things. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Did anybody keep shorting it at 500 and just like saying, just have some funds? I got in on that 470 just with 2 micros. I already collected some. We got it at 72. Let's go, Dan. There's another beauty. Guys, we've been hitting these beautiful like bangers, even with the shitty price action. Like it's been great. Let's go. Look at this. All right, 53. Now we got room to 420 if we can hold under 53 here. All right, it's gonna retest. It can. If it breaks over 53, 73 can get retested. But you'd want to ideally see some sort of pull up and then rejection as usual. There's a 5-minute level that's about to form right under 470, around like 468-ish. All right. Anyway. What's the other chat? Thing up. There's the restream. What's up, everybody? It's very blended PA over here. Is it? This is a freaking amazing PA for Saucebox, Gravity, whatever you guys want to call it. My students been eating on every price action. We don't give a damn. We don't give a damn no more. Yo, what's up? Been on vacay. What's up, Scrooge Money? Yeah, Scrooge. Yeah, we haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back, bro. Hey, Avi, as a fellow fatty who is now working to lose weight, what was your starting weight? Dude, you were 434. Literally, that was my weight as well. G57, 434. I think I was 431, 432, somewhere around there. I can't remember the exact number. But that's where I was at. And again, I don't know if that public scale is accurate. That thing said I was 370. There's like a little 10-pound gap, so I put 380. Oh, there's a zoom in. I told my wife, let's just say 380. That's still a lot of weight. Technically, I didn't start. Well, the doctor's appointment was well after. I kind of was already watching what I was eating. Oh shit! Here's things keep going. But when I went to the doctor and I started keto, I think I should have been like still 420ish. So I don't believe I lost 40 pounds in 2 weeks. I really don't. I don't think that scales correctly.
No.
Yeah.
You need to get a different
I
scale.
don't think that
You need
scales
one
correctly.
scale. You need to get one scale for your home. It's difficult to
Yeah.
know with your weight because scales. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yep.
you need to at least you need to find a scale that holds the weight and then a scale that you can continuously use in your home first thing in the morning.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna order. I was supposed to look for one earlier, and then I completely got lazy. Well, we had a nice retest of 53. You had a break and retest of 53, two rejections. So that was nice. So we want. Oh, there goes another pushback up. So be careful though. Just like I said, because if it's pulling back. If it does close above 53, it's gonna go retest that 68.70. So pullbacks are healthy though. We all know that, right? You're gonna get a lower high potentially anywhere around here. If it's down here, it could be down there too. That 5-minute level is gonna lock in about a minute. Yeah, there goes. Look at that. There she goes. So this is kind of already gone played through. Let's see if she can stay under that though. All right. What's up, YouTube gang? Make sure you guys hit that like button. Don't leave us dry by the time we get to the giveaways. And then we have to ask. I don't want to have to ask. I want you guys just to come in, hit that like button, and then when the giveaways and we see, oh yeah, you guys hit those likes, we just do the giveaways immediately. I got one line. You need one that locks in the weight so you can step off and look. I can still see it when I step on it. I use the shipping scale. Damn, bro. They make scales that have 500-pound capacity. Oh shit! She's just there. That 5-minute level just locked in, and then she ripped down. So there's that 5-minute level right here at 467. Well, this should make a lower low here. And then another. Maybe we'll get to that 420 here. Oh, did my rudder get trailed out? It fucking did. Son of a bitch. I mean, it did pull up pretty big. It did pull up pretty big, so yeah, I guess I shouldn't be surprised. Still, I thought I gave it a little extra breathing room. All right, let's see if it tries to pull down and make a lower low here, or if it's gonna retest on the 5. Yeah, if not, like I'm looking for that 67 to keep rejecting, but I want to see it get down to that 420. We got a golden MVG all the way down here at 395 as well. Is there any more golden MVGs below? Nope, doesn't look like it. It's one little Lone Star Ranger right down there. All right. They're all worried about you, bro. They're like, you look like you're bored.
Oh, dude, I'm just tired as fuck. I'm super fucking tired for some reason. I didn't sleep well at all.
Oh, damn. How big are
Literally
you
just
putting your stop losses? It depends on the setup. Like that 500 retest. So I use areas in the sauce box as my stops. If I have quantum candles, I can use those. So I had this one at 504. I would have put it like a little bit above that because that's 5 points. It's kind of tight for me. On this 470 break, I used the breaking candle. Right, we go over this in the quantum study sessions as well. So that level broke. The risk would have been about 10 points on that break. And the same general idea, right? That breaking candle on that 53 level was massive though. So this one is going to get retested heavy. That stop will be all the way above 70. So the entry would have been 46. That's a 24-point stop loss. That's not one I would enter on unless I see a heavy pullback and my stop would be above 70. Right now we got that pullback up there right now. But I don't want to see it really get too close to 67 personally, because that would kind of make that level a bit weak. I want to see it reject before it gets up there. What does any of this news stuff even mean? Let's take a look. Chicago PMI, Michigan 1-year inflation expectation. It's just state stuff. Michigan, Michigan, Michigan. I can barely read some of these. Fed, Goldsby, Baker Hughes Oil, GC. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's really, I mean, anything. I mean, who knows, man? There's a lot of 330 volume. I mean, 330 news for some reason. CFTC natural gas speculative net positions. I don't know if that's going to do anything for NQ. Silver, maybe, I don't know, maybe silver's in there. There's that little rejection. We still need to get back under 53. It gets back under 53. Then we might shoot for another lower low. If it can get under 53. All right. The level's at 52 and a quarter. My bad, 52 and a quarter. I don't want to see this purple break either. This new purple just created up here. So I can move this here. Boom. So we're kind of trapped in here. Well, in that 5-minute level. All right. I should have added when it come back to retest around my entry, but it's okay. Profit is profit. Yep, Samantha, profit is profit. Always be happy with what you make. It's better to be green than red. Right? Almost like you can almost say, you can almost like it like flip around what Shrek says, right? Better out than in. I always say, right? Better green than red. I always say, kind of like that. That's what I'm thinking for some reason. Just thinking about Shrek right now. I don't know why. Shrek's sexy. That green, plumpy motherfucker. No pauses. I said what I said. Nenbei, you know why? You know why the chat's always on Logan? Because they're always trying to get a rile out of him. We used to do a thing where we try to piss him off because he would hit bangers when he's like it's like the Hulk. Yeah, like you bring out the Hulk in him, and he would just go in. You know what? Fuck this. I'm going short, and then he would hit this banger out of nowhere. It was like the craziest shit back then. He's too rich now. He doesn't get angry. Yeah, he has good money now, so it's hard to get angry. When you have good money, it's hard to get angry. It is. It really is. Like, oh shit, there's that rejection. Pushing down below this level. Not gonna hold below and make a lower low. It can't hold below. It's gonna just keep ranging. Needs to really start holding below. Needs to break that. Yeah, it's bouncing around. These rejections are pretty clean right here, though. That 62 area. So I want to see it really start to push. There it goes. There you go. There you go. Make a lower low. Let's get down to that 420. Come on, let's get down here. I want to see it get down here. So I really want to see it get there. There's no guarantee it'll get down there, but right now it's still in the jump down train. It needs to make a lower low though. It's not. It's just ranging. Look at that. Pulled right back up. I scalped a little bit of that. And ooh, Dom's going nutty as it approaches this area. That 55 area. So it needs to continue to reject that 60, 55. Let's see. Ticket black. My LA. Oh, I have to be careful with that Reaper. I'm kind of like on the my last one I got chilled out. I'm on the fence with things. I can't read the whole thing. So I think you're talking about coffee. All right, here's that pullback up to the 60s. Dom is speeding up here at the 67 area. I do not want to see it hold above that. And I'm not looking at any kind of rejections at the moment because the Dom is going nuts, but it is not pulling down. So if this does manage to break that level, this might be flipping bully for the time being if it does hold above that 67. If that 5-minute closes below it, I might test it one more time. Only if it closes below it. If it closes above it, I might stab along. This candle has 2.5 minutes though, so just gonna chill a little bit here. It's gonna be a
Here's what
potential funky.
I'm gonna rip some packs.
Yeah, rip some packs, bro. Here, I'll switch screens. Everyone kind of sees what I'm seeing, so let's switch here. Okay, go rip some. I want to watch.
I need some
All right, back under
dopamine.
67.
A little dopamine.
I don't know who the hell that is. Argius.
Yeah.
That's some new guys.
Arguably
I don't know about them new guys.
strongest Pokemon ever.
I was like those god ones. Oh, that's a nice one. There you go. Yeah, that's a Charizard right there. That's a nice
Promo
one.
reverse foil
Keep that shit.
Charizard. Keep that one.
Yeah, keep that bitch.
That's cool. Another good one.
Lugia,
Lugia V. Super rare.
$300. Hell yeah.
Mimikyu.
Team Rocket, Mimi. It's like a little ghost.
Whoa. Another good one.
There you go.
Yo, I'm fucking on fire right
Yeah,
now.
yeah. You're hitting some good shit, man. That
Yeah.
looks like a comic book or something.
Emerald Break Rayquaza EX.
Rayquaza.
I'm hitting some fucking fire right now. We're like 3 for 5. This is insane.
Max got pinged. There's somebody ripping some bangers right now. Hey, slow down, bro. Don't start rinsing me now.
Sounds fucking cool. All right, let's do 1 or 2 more Pokemon and then we'll do sports.
You got the same thing again,
I
dude.
think I got the same one, just a different version, and I just got another profit.
Still
Yo.
$300, bro.
I'm fucking cooking fucking MOTC right now. Bro, I'm like fucking 4 for 6 right now on
Oh
profit.
shit, she's ripping right now.
You know what's funny is I didn't even trade today and I'm still making money. Ha! I haven't taken a single trade today. That was not bad. That was not bad. Cynthia's Garchomp.
219. A weird
Dude,
looking ass
again?
Mew.
Another profit one.
Dude, you're just in the green
What's
right
going
now.
on? Do I want to keep this one? I'll look at the odds later, see how much it's gone up. Let's keep that one. This one looks gay. Yeah.
Like little ass that ketchup.
All right. Last one. Last Pokemon. Saw that one back. Now, let's do some sports. Drake May. Okay.
Is she going back now?
Shohei Ohtani. It's basically break even. Nice. Actually,
Oh baby, no, I survived. I barely survived. That 5 minute did close underneath 67. It pulled up a little bit. It almost took me out, and then ripped right back down underneath it. I did say underneath that, if that 5 closed underneath, I was underneath the short, and I barely survived.
hey, look at this.
All
Hobby
right,
Gene
anyway,
Daniels.
keep going. Oh shit, the JD. That's JD. Yeah, but I mean, man, our offense looks like trash, dude. Our offensive line's horrible. I feel like our boy's not gonna be able to shine anymore. Like preseason game, I saw he literally had 3 seconds just to move backwards and got sacked. And his mom is whack. His mom. Okay, hey, actually, I have a conversation. I have a question about that. His in relationship with his mom is really fucking weird. His mom controls like everything. His girlfriends, who he can see, who he can't see. It is weird as hell. Oh, okay.
Yo.
What is that? Marvin Harrison Jr. Oh shit.
Marvin Harrison
That's a good one.
Jr. 450.
I need this 5 minute to get like. All right. Oh, my runner got trailed out. Fuck. Okay. Well, let me see what I got here. Closes above.
No, it's the leg, but still. Perception.
We're gonna get a 5 minute level here at 60. Lamar Jackson. Good old Lamar. We're playing them tonight on the last preseason game. All right. It's like this thing is this thing breaks 83. We're going back to 500. Is that an Oilers? An Oiler? Calvin Johnson. That's Detroit Lion. Detroit Lion. No, throw that in the chart. Oh yeah, no, that's okay. That looked like an Eagles player. Peyton Manning. I kind of like Peyton. His commercials are hilarious.
Hey man, he's a great football player.
Yeah. Omaha. That's all I remember. Omaha. Nah, he was fun to sell to watch.
Ooh. Another one.
Another Shohei Ohtani. Shohei Ohtani. Oh shit! That 5 minute turned blue. I got in so late and I still tested it just because that bounced up. I took a little scalp on both sides. I didn't screenshot the short, did I? No, I didn't. Fuck. Just took a nibble on both sides. Did I? Wait, I think I did. No, that's the other. Never mind. That's the other one. That's the other one. Just took 3 micros. I'm just having a little fun here. 470 was kind of the stompy area.
Give me some big titty anime bitch. This one's in profit. That's all I'm buying.
Still rejecting Shashibao.
Roro no Zoro.
Zoro. That's. I feel like he should be worth more. But I don't know about those the One Piece cards. I know the anime, not the cards. Oh, there's another one. There you go.
Nice.
Boa Hancock.
Back. You can.
Yeah. She could put her hand on that. Yeah, right. Her last name. Hell yeah. Her ability, she can summon hands out of things. That's Robin, Aniki. Hancock can make you fall in love, right? And then turns you into stone. If you get a bone, basically, if you get a boner for Boa, you turn into stone. That's her power.
Yeah, this is a PSA 4, and it's still worth $100.
$100
That's
bucks.
crazy.
That is crazy.
That's how valuable this card is. And it's old, it's super old. But yeah, I bought it for $100 and it's worth 108. What if you know what I might try and do?
What?
I wonder how much this is worth as a PSA 10. I'm gonna keep the card and look at it. Check that out later.
We'll pull that.
Wow, another one, right?
Snorlax. That's my spirit animal right there.
Right.
Let's see. Let me see what the 15. Let me take a pick at the 15.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, if this 460 holds, should start to push up, breaks over 500 even more. If this 15 turns blue, we're gonna have a 2, 5, and 15 trifecta. That's gonna be interesting to watch. We didn't get it on the one. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, Hollow Gengar. Yo, why is Gengar so popular right now with the cards? At least I know everyone wants a freaking Gengar.
Oh, that's fucking
Oh,
sick.
With the trifecta, are you also waiting for the action lines to cross at the same time? Basically, they all should be heading in the same direction at the same time. The crosses might be delayed, Daniel J. Like the 1 and the 2 will happen first, and then you want the 5 to follow through. But what you want to see is all 3 shifting in the same direction, trying to lock in as close as possible. The further apart they are, the more difficult the entry might be if you're trying to get in later. The entries always should be on the 1 or the 2. You don't want to get in on the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes are super risky. So this 460 area has to hold if it's gonna try to continue to push up. If it breaks under 460, then this might be a. Let me see the 5 minute. No, the 5 minute didn't even make a lower high. Now the 5 minute has potentially a shifting positions here. But if that 460 goes, it's just gonna get some choppiness here. Jolteon EX. Still shaking. Oh, wait, hold on. Legendary. Nice, Luce. Javi, dame una papusa, ya tú sabes, Malumba. Javi, what is your strategy for not getting emotional close to getting a payout? I'm currently 1 profit day away. Just follow the routine then, bae. Right? No matter the outcome. If you don't get it that next day, you don't get it, right? But don't blow that account trying to get it that same day. Just do the routine. Like I don't chase. If I'm 1 day away from getting a payout, I'm not gonna be like, I have to get it this day. I'm not gonna lose that account so close, right? If I have a bad day on it, I have a bad day on it. The next day, I'll do it all over again until I qualify for it. Like that Apex account, the Apex I got the payout from yesterday. I've been working on that thing for like 3 freaking weeks. All right. I'm not racing. I still been getting payouts from TPT, from Tradeify. Well, I was from Lucid, and then I went live with them, and all the other props that I'm testing as well. So, um, you need to be able to, and I get it, right? The excitement, the jitters, the emotions are high, but don't blow it. Don't blow it that day trying to get that number. Yeah. All right. Screen share back on. Boom. So far that 460 is kind of holding, but it's still struggling to really push further.
Are the cards actually worth money? Yeah, I'm getting those.
Yes.
Yesterday, I got all the cards sent to me. These cards, they're all worth value. You're gonna get the real card mailed to you, and the real card, actual card, is mailed to you, and then it includes
Yeah.
that value. You can look up what the value is, and you can either keep it, hold on to it, invest into it, or sell it.
It's not an NFT. It's not like a fake digital thing. No, you can actually get the physical cards. You get what you pop. It's yeah. All right. We're just still hanging out here. Like it's still trapped in this little range right now. 5 minute is in between trends. Let me take a peek at the 15 minute again. Wait, 15 minute is still I could make still a lower low on the 15. But there's that level at 464. That's it. Like, just looks really choppy. 5 minute, yeah, it's going down to test that 60 right now, maybe. Dom does react down here a bit. So let me see what it does as it gets closer. This is an interesting area. What are you gonna do down here? There's definitely some reaction, but the pull up is pretty weak. Pushing a little bit now, but it's getting hesitant. They're at 70 now. Okay, they're starting to push. All right. Yeah, it's not reacting. It's not pulling up a whole lot. There is a speed up here at 460, but I'm not seeing that pull up I like to see normally when it hits a level. It's like there a lot of hesitation. But this is the area that needs to hold. That 460 needs to hold.
Second, I got somebody at my door.
Joy, bro. All right. Now we're trapped. Let's say between 460 and 477. So the spaces are going to get tighter and tighter and tighter. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see if we can get a little pull up. I'm looking at maybe like 6. I did take a tester on that one. See if I can get to 77 or 70. Sorry, 7650 is what I kind of, there goes. Okay. Can you get up there? Yes. All right, there we go. Got my little play. I got in late too. I saw that it hit 64. I wanted 60 to hold. Already took 2 out. That was a pretty tight stop. Boom. There we go. 60 held. 60 held, thankfully. Got a little 15 pointer now. Runners are running. Those are the 2 runners that I have. I entered with 4 micros there. The 60 hold. Ugh. How's Lucid Live? I just got moved this week. This is my 4th prop firm going live with. So they're pretty much the same in a sense. It's a live account, cash. So it took a second to get set up, but other than that, I got it today. I made 700 off of it, something like that, for day one on a Friday. Not bad. Oh shit, man! The runners are running right now. 20 points almost. Just hit 20 points actually. Oh shit! Did anybody else just take that 60 test? Oh shit. 60 was what I was looking for it to hold, and it ripped. It ripped up 2 micros up $100 right now on just 2 micros. I got in with 4, took 2 off at right above 10 points. And oh my God, she is ripping. Almost 30 points there. Oh shit, she ripping, guys. She's ripping. That's let's see. Did the 15-minute turn blue? Let me go take a peek. And we got a reverse trifecta here. No, it didn't. It didn't turn blue. That level at 64. That's literally where it bounced to. That one runner got trailed out right there. I got one left right below 80. Just want to see if it keeps going or not. But that was right there, sauce box. That was the close area. So I trailed one really close as we approached sauce box, got ripped down, rejection, and I got one runner kind of floating a little bit further to see if we get a little more push. But sauce box is a resistance area right now. There she goes back up through 3Z to tap saucy box here. So 15-minute did not turn blue. I was kind of hoping to see it. Let's see the 10-minute. Maybe the 10-minute did it. It's not really a trifecta. Nah, I don't count that. It did turn blue, but it didn't. The cross didn't occur within it, right? The 1, the 2, the 1 flipped. Oh, it just happened actually. This is a reverse trifecta. The 2 and the 5 happened first, then the 1, but this already occurred on that pull up. But there you go. Beautiful bounce off of that 60, almost 40 points, almost. Need to break back into sauce box. Then we need to break 504, 512, 514, 521, 534 will be the top. So a lot of little rejection points here. Not rejection points, hesitation points where it could stall out. Sweet. All right. Let's see. Wind the tape back. P2P on fire today. Oh yeah, P2P. I know P2P's but P2P's always on fire. Profit. We know that, right? I love Lama's fibs, especially when they line up with saucy boxes, right? The sauce boxes are anchored, so they don't really move. But the fibs always popping up around them is beautiful. It's my favorite thing to see all the freaking time. Same patterns. Love it. Love it, love it. And my last one's about to get drilled out. No.
No,
6 me.
no gay retarded shit forged against me shall prosper.
Hell yeah. Oh. And there goes my runner. Are you going to strat 6 me? Well, no, I mean, I'm fine with that trade. I'm fine with that. Sauce box rejection. I'm fine with that. All right. I still haven't gotten my Echelon shirt. I still got to contact them about it. Echelon. Boom, 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 boom. You don't need to hit home runs to get excited over a winning trade. I don't know how Javi still gets excited when he takes 500 trades a day and then only moves 15, 10 points. Well, see, like add that up. That's like 1,000 points a day, Carlos. All right. Who can do that? I catch literally daily 1,000+ points a day. I trade all my accounts separately. All right. My pockets are getting bigger, right? I get excited for any money I make. Like I get excited. I have fun, man. It's like, okay, some of you all, right? Y'all play the same video game over and over again. Okay. Over like Fortnite, Call of Duty, doing the same shit, camping in a corner with your shotgun, right? Waiting there for 20 minutes until that one guy pop and you're like, yeah, fuck you. And you start teabagging the shit out of him, right? And you're like, yeah, right? It's kind of like that, right? Because I'm teabagging the market, right? I'm like, boom, my play worked. There's 20 points, $500. Boom, fuck you, market. Teabagging the shit out of it, angly balls and everything, making sure that they do this around. Right? I'm like doing circles, right? I'm doing circles and going like this, so they get the whole field. Yeah. No, I know you didn't mean it in a bad way, Carlos. I know you didn't. I know you didn't. I'm talking about how that feeling. It's the same kind of thing, right? When you're playing a game and you win, right? No matter how you win, right? Even the campers, because one thing I know about Call of Duty was that it was just filled with campers hiding in corners with their shotty, go boom, and then I could hear them laughing like, hey, I'm the shit because I'm hiding in the corner with the. It's kind of like that. uh, so the feeling is always the same for me. I love this. No, I used to Rogue. I played a couple times, but I got sick of always getting shotty by these campers. Like every single time you go into a building, there's like 90% chance you're gonna get shotty in the butthole. If I knew how to trade like you, I get excited every day. Yeah. Did you guys watch the gameplay footage for GTA 6? Well, we have to put quotes in that, right? Because they always make it kind of look better. So we won't really know until we actually get our hands on the game, but it looks freaking awesome. It does look amazing. But I'm hoping that they don't do that thing where they make it look cool. Oh man, I got Strat 6 so bad on that runner. That thing literally jumps right where my runner was. Right back up. Whoa, what was that? I never heard like thunder like that before. Literally sounded like two trucks just ran into each other. That was weird. Okay. Oh, there's 500. Yeah, I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, 180, 360 Nasdaqian quick scoping professional. I like the way that sounds, Devo. Dude, the thunder here always sounds different. It never sounds the same. It's always a different sound each thunderstorm. Your daughter was a level designer at COD? No way. For real, Renee? Oh, that's actually badass. That's cool. Like level like game designers and shit. My son is into that. Like he's self-taught, like Google and YouTube and all that. And he tried to make his own game on Roblox. He's actually like making his own funky characters. You could tell he's like still learning, but he loves that stuff too. So that's really cool. Over 20 years she's been a video game. That is freaking awesome. She's pretty well known too. Rosie Cats. Rosie Cats. Let's see. Okay, there seems to be a lot of them. I'm going to put game designer, game developer. There she is. Rosie Katz, level designer. Oh shit, look at that. She designed Sledgehammer Games. What's the level here? Experience game. It doesn't show what level it is. And she's been interviewed. Oh shit, that's your daughter, Renee? That's awesome. Look at that. She's worked on Northgale, Project Octavia, Call of Duty Vanguard, Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, Black Ops. Dang, she's worked on all of them almost. She's worked on Dead Space. That's a very well-known game. She even worked on Tiger Woods 2007. Very cool. Very freaking cool. That's awesome, Renee. Yeah, yeah. Oh, look, saucebox rejection. But again, right, be careful. We are slightly uptrending here. We rejected it a bunch of times, so just be careful. Ooh. This is scary to even kind of try to take that one because of where it's at, but I'm like, give me 83. Give me 83. Come on. I got it so late. Oh, I'm not a fan of it. No. Okay, I got out of it. I got out breaking even. It's just I'm kind of like a little funky on this because it is uptrending. I gotta break even. I mean, if it keeps rejecting low, it stays below, but that wick up was kind of dangerous. It almost gave me my 83. It hit 85. It's dangerous up here, but it's still not horrible until it breaks through. I need to see a closure, well closure above. But even then, we have to break through this 504, 512. So there's still points where it's going to hesitate. So it's hesitating at 504, but if it cannot break back under 500, she's going to keep trying to test areas above. What time is it? 3:30. So it's 3:30 right now. It's 3:30. Let's see. It's already testing that 504.50. Above that would be that 512. Two-minute. Everything still kind of looks bullish. Everything's breaking all these purples, but we need to break that 504.50 next, and then we need to break this 512, 516. We still got these little barriers up here. So there's going to be a lot of hesitation as it goes up. But any kind of rejection could be short-lived, because as it breaks through each area, it's going to flip into support. Like 490 needs to be completely rebroken, and then 478, then 470. So this is going to get funky. And look at it push right back up. All right, I'm just gonna sit until MOC then. Renee is proud of her. Love it. Awesome. Renee, I can tell Renee is very proud of her. It is amazing. That is amazing. Very amazing. I love that. Doc trying to soup. Doc trying to soup. Oh, we just got a level at 499.75. So it's adding a little bit of oomph here. Stop loss would be a break above 506 or 512. Okay. Round two. I'm testing that short again. I got in at 498. If it breaks over that 505, I'm getting out of it. It's just looking very bully, but it's scary. So if it breaks over that 505, I will be getting out of it. So like say 507, just to give it a little bit. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Because then it'll test 512. If it strat 6 me, it strat 6 me. But let's see, I'm in at 499 or 498, and then looking for 88 as my first area. If it wants to give it to me, if it doesn't, oh well. It's dangerous. This is a dangerous one, just because it is uptrending pretty good. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I'm not gonna sweat it.
I saw you and Max were in Jersey the other day. I hit you on the Instagram trying to take you to lunch. Why would we have a stranger take Max and I to lunch? All right, let's think logically here. Let's go through a few things. One, I'm from New Jersey, so I know all the spots to eat. Two, why would we let a stranger take us to lunch? Three, why would we let a dude take us to lunch? Four, Max and I both have a fuck ton of money. We don't need somebody to buy us lunch. Five, I understand
Yeah.
you're a part of the community, but we also have 80,000 people in our community. So doesn't really make sense for us to do that. Six, we had zero time. Even if we were to do that, we didn't have any time. We were busy the entire day. We literally did a turn and burn. We were there for 24 hours.
Turn and burn. Yeah, that's right. You guys were there for just one day, huh? So much hesitation. I'm just like hovering above. Like I'm right at break even in red. Little red. Break even. Little red. Up. Slightly green. Break even. It's barely moving. It's either gonna go or it's not. It's that simple for me. Here we go. A little bit of pull. Now I'm green. Come on, give me that 88. Just give me 88, please. Please, please, please. You know what? I'm gonna take I don't
Jersey's
like the
cool.
hesitation down there.
There's nothing cool about New Jersey. What is cool about New Jersey? What do you think in New Jersey? And you're like, wow, this is cool. I really want to visit this again. The fuck are you talking about? I lived my entire
yeah.
life there.
Come on, give me those little 2 points, NQ. Give me those little 2 points. Come on, you're one there. No, don't do me dirty like that. No, I'm going break even. Fuck it. I don't want to let this turn red. Man, I don't like the way it's hesitating down there. It turns purple and then it gets bought up. Not a fan of that.
The beaches and houses where I stayed were amazing.
Watch me get strat sixed.
South Florida.
I just want to stay queen. Okay, yeah, come on, NQ. Come on, baby girl. I know you want it. Come on. I know you like it. Yeah. Come on, baby. Just give me the 2 points. Just give me those 2 points. I'll be nice and dirty for you. Oh yeah. You know, I know you like when I spit on it. Come on, I'll spit on it twice, maybe 5 times. Come on, I'll do that little thing with the tongue that you like. Oh yeah, you like that, right? Mm-hmm. The little mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. There you go. She kept going. She really liked that. She really liked that. And she really liked that. She just exploded on us guys. There you go. Nice short right there. Almost 20 points. Got my one runner running. Oh, damn it. I need to screenshot it. There you go. These are again, right? These are scalps, guys. Still 15, 20 point scalps are still really fucking good. Right, that's my last runner. I had to get freaky with her. I'm sorry, you gotta get freaky. Where'd Logan go? Did he need to go take care of something? Did I turn him on? I mean, I don't blame him. You know, hey, he's got to go take care of business. Okay, you know, I know the talk can do that. Yeah, I heard my wife yelling. Oh man, it works. It works 60% of the time. It works all the time. Every time I talk dirty to NQ, right, guys? You guys saw it live at the fucking Blitz, right? I talked dirty to her. What happened? What happened to NQ when I talked dirty to NQ at the Blitz? Those of you guys that went, right? You remember that?
Yeah, don't do that again. You're not going to do that again, especially over 5 points. I'm not going to listen to you.
That was
fucking
20 points.
That's disgusting. No, we're not doing that.
The TP was 10 points, but that just dropped for 20 points. So my one runner collected about 18ish points. I already caught a nice other play as well. So yeah, we're up pretty good right now. Should be up pretty good. Yeah. I'm gonna do it again every time. Oh man, bro, I'm in the car with my kids, and you just connected. The timing, Jay Bundy. The timing was perfect. Hey, it's no holds bar Friday. Friday's fun day. Okay, all right. We're all adults here except for Jay Bundy with his kids. My last runner got drilled out. Oh man, we're supposed to be all adults here, okay? Oh man. All right, that was a nice little scalpy scalp right there, guys. That's what the market's giving us right now. It's like we're just getting these moves. Like that 470 break was a quick push down. Then the 470 break, that 460 hold was clean. That was a 40 point trade. That was a nice 40 point trade. If somebody held it all the way to Sol's box, you just caught a nice little like just about 20 points. It gave you like 18 point Sol's box rejection. Right? So roughly 80 something points in this chop. Fuck yeah. We're killing it. We should, right, Samantha? When you 18 plus when it's Friday. All right. Back up she goes. It's still in an uptrend. It is still in an uptrend. So this needs to get a solid push over 504.50. Then it hits 512. And then after 512, then we have that next little barrier up here at 520, 521, 525, then 534. After that, after 534, then we have some room all the way back up to 568. There goes to 506 breaking right now. She's trying to push up, getting really, she hit 510. She's pushing up. I don't like to take any breaks into the box personally. I know some that do, but yeah, I mean, that's a 500 break in and a push here. This one didn't play out, but 512 is about to get hit. There's 11. Getting wicky the closer it gets to it. There it is. There's 512. This is the next area that needs to break. Look at that wick. All right, 512 needs to break. So you need a candle closure above here. You need to see now. You want to see it stay inside the sauce box though. If it breaks back out below, we're going to challenge that 86, 85 area. But then we need to break over this next. We need to break over that 812, 815 next. Woo! All right, you ever hit Artisan Bakery for a sandwich? It's a bread factory, Italian, owned by I don't know what that is. I can't. I can't. I'm not eating breads right now. There's a wife with the chacleta. Yeah, you know it. I'm ready. My skin's built tough now. I got like reptilian skin now from all the chancletazos I've taken. Like, you know, you just get used to it. I've been taking them since I was a kid. Like back in the day, we used to get no holds bar. Everything was a weapon, like or not a weapon. Everything was a belt. Everything was a belt. The keys, the vacuum cord, the hangers, the metal hangers, not those like crappy hangers we have nowadays. Those metal hangers, those things had a little sting to them. What else, right? What else did we have? The vacuum cord, the same. Good old hands. Good old hands were good. The wooden spoons. Those are fun. Oh, the tree limb. That's right, Drop Dead. Yeah, when you're outside, they get that tree limb on you. Yeah. Oh, I never got the TV cable, 20 Econ. Never got the TV cable because I think they enjoyed their cable. They didn't have any extra cable lying around. But yeah, your parents didn't care. I ripped that cable. I'm like, damn, bro. You got the pots and pans, Zany? My mom was a cook, so I think she kind of respected the pots and pans, so she wouldn't use those because that was her thing, making them pupusas. We did get the spoon and the belts, the good old belt, man. That good old belt, right? You put the belt together, you do that whoopsh, whoopsh, right? Scares the living crap out of you for a second. You're like, oh God, it was his fault. It's always your brother's fault. It doesn't matter. If you're the oldest, it doesn't matter. The youngest do something, it's gonna be the oldest's fault always. I was the oldest in my mom and dad when it was, well, I got stepbrothers and sisters. They're older than me, but we were living in our house. It was just me. I was the oldest in there, so I always took the brute. I always had to be the sacrificial lamb. And it's even worse when the younger brothers know it. When they know it, oh, little bastards. Magnum with Old Bay. That's definitely a Marylander right there. Jay Hooley, that's Maryland right there. They would definitely put Old Bay on the Magnums over there. They put Old Bay on everything in Maryland. Everything. Literally everything. No, I don't. I don't, 20 Econ. I don't lay a finger on them. They're spoiled. We try to do it, and you know what? It shows. It does show. You can see, right? They're not always going to listen to the words, right? But it hurts. It hurts my heart too much to even think about laying a finger on my girls. It does. It just does for me. I'm a softie with them. The boy, I only have one boy. I only have one 12-year-old boy, and he's a good kid. He's so good. He never once has given a reason to even think about it. Right? When he was younger, even when he was younger, like he did kid things. He was being a kid. But oh, we got one of them. Hi, I'm new here. Where to get options alert? Oh, we don't do options, entry alerts, things like that. Hamid, we trade futures, specifically NASDAQ, MNQ futures. All right, we're trapped inside the top half. I'm sorry, the bottom half of the saucy box now. Remember, we need to break over 412, 415 right here. This is the area we need to break next, right? Now we're trapped in here. You guys seeing how this moves? Ooh, we're breaking back out of saucy box. Oh, just be careful. We're still uptrending, but that is a hard break. Ooh, the 2 minutes turning purple. Man, if it was a golden MVG attached to it, I would definitely trigger it, but just be careful because again, uptrend, the pull down has room to 490, 87, and that's about it. If it breaks 87, then you need to break 80, then you have room back to 65. So let's see. That was a violent rejection off that 512. Oh, she's actually playing out a little bit. Oh, she's still melting down a bit. So it's an impulse candle, so be careful. There's going to be some potential retest. Here's that 87 area that it just hit. It needs to break under that. Then 78 needs to break, but we're still just hanging out. Oh man, just glorious, glorious, glorious price action with the saucy box. But again, right, we're still uptrending. There's that bounce up off that 78 or 87. I'm sorry. Here, let me mark it. I keep like non-marking. There it is. There's that blue. This is what we need to break. And ooh, there she goes. Yep, there she goes. I got my 10 points right there with 2 micros just because, again, very risky on a downtrend, on uptrend. Very risky on the uptrend on the 1 and the 2, but that played out. Sauce box breaks for me. All right, students, you already know. Oh man, there goes that runner. And I'm up, you know what? I'm up pretty good right now, Power. I already was up 300 on this account. I'm up to 803 right now. I don't remember what I was up. I think it was like 300. So there you go. ADHD. How can you talk and trade? It's easy, Renee. It's easy when you have ADHD. No, here's the thing though, Renee. When I'm teaching, I can't focus on trading. I cannot focus on trading when I'm teaching, but when I'm just yapping, like doing the show with you guys and stuff like this, I see it. I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna click, and then that part is easy. But when I'm teaching, that's a whole different thing. Like I am not like focused enough on this to get a good entry when I'm teaching. All right, this thing is ripping, man. Sauce box 512 rejected, broke back out of sauce box. 20 points from that break already. That 570, that 586 just broke. Now 78's about to break. If 80, oh, it's thunderstorming out there. Next, we got 69, and then we still have that bottom 60 area as well. And there's a lot of people that for some reason, I guess, still don't know, right? If you guys are interested in Saucebox, gravity indicator is the Saucebox indicator. Gravity, we called it gravity. That is the Saucebox indicator. You guys can check out my YouTube channel and learn a little bit about it. You're not going to get all the sauce, okay? I'm going to say that right now. You're not going to get all the sauce, right? To get all the sauce, you got to tap into the course and learn exactly what I'm doing, what my list looks like, my entries and everything, what I look for rejections and things like that. But it's out there. The tool is out there for you guys to kind of mess around with if you want. That's up to you. I do Sunday night study sessions with quantum and gravity. Both are included in those Sunday night study sessions. So you guys get to see me every Sunday night. I do not believe in beating where I come from. There were raised. I never agree with that. Yeah, where my wife comes from, and you can't judge cultures, guys. We can't judge cultures, okay? But they have a little thing over there. They call it cariñito, right? I don't know. How do you translate cariñito into English? MOC? Oh shit, MOC. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm already in the short. I got one runner running. This could pull up and retest 502, but we're trapped. We're trapped. Right now, we are trapped. All right, my runner just got trailed out, actually, just as I said that. Damn it. Okay, so we are trapped. There's no level for it to hold. I want to see if it retests sauce box and what it does up here, right? It's already approaching it. 20 seconds left. So if it fails to break through this 502, 512, this pocket it's got up here, right? 5 minutes also trying to turn purple. Then we should see some sort of rejection pull down. How big it's gonna be, that's the question mark. It's unknown. So here we go, 2 seconds. There's the push up. That pushed up very deep. All right, now will it hold above all of this? Will it hold above all of this? It needs to hold above that 513-ish area. There's a rejection. Looks like it doesn't want to hold, and there you go, right? There's that pull up. Tested those levels. Now it needs to hang out above that if it's going to continue. So it's trying to push back up again. Dang, it's raining hard out there. There it goes back up again. Now, can it hold this 13-15 area or not? Looks like it rejected it again. Struggling. All right, pulling back up again. She's trying to hold above it now. Looks like she's pulling up. Dom's going nuts here. Okay, yeah, she's showing up. Yep, she closed above it now. All right, now she needs to push above 21 and then 25 sauce box, 34 is the last level. So will she stay trapped in here? I don't know. So she's testing 512 again. There's a 512 retest. And there's a meltdown. I don't play against Saucebox, y'all. I do not play against Saucebox, so I don't take a long there playing against Saucebox. I actually just took that little rejection off the top of Saucebox and it just played beautifully. All right. Hell yeah. There you go, right? Saucebox to me is king. Saucebox is that king area. You guys are seeing it, right? You guys see my chart, right? I won't play a long, even though it closed above those levels, I'm not interested in the long until it breaks through here. And my students know I do not trade against Saucebox. There's a prime example live why I don't trade against Saucebox. All right, awesome. You must be new here. Where are you from? Be his ass. If you full ported that candle, you're rich. You're welcome. I take tips via Cash App. What the fuck? If you full ported. All right. Full port 10 points. Yeah, that's a dangerous game. Full porting just for 10 points, right? Like I go for 10, but I don't full port. Logan, how does your discipline on your son look like when you eventually have one? Didn't you have you already kind of had a conversation on that like a while ago?
Yeah, I'm gonna beat the fuck up.
If he acts up. Yeah. And again, right? That's like the military people, it's like your own culture. So you guys got to be like, the lanterns, right? The lanterns, that military dad kept shooting at his kid's head with the apple. Kind of like that, right? He'll be like, I'm going to teach you how to not be afraid. Stand there, apple in the head. Bam. Okay. You either hit it or you don't.
When kids act up, they need to be whooped. I think all kids, this is just my personal opinion. I don't care what anybody else's is. Everybody has their own opinion. Kids need to be whooped. Because the problem is it's not something just like, oh, this is a way to discipline them. This is something that's going to help them as an adult. Because a lot of you have never been smacked before, and it fucking shows.
Woo. See you show how to do pupusa Sunday night. I show you how to make a little bit of bread to buy them pupusas. Molo lambe. Yeah, sauce box held, man. Look at this. All from look at this. Look up here. 150. It rejected the top. All right, stay below, rejected, rejected. Little rejections here. That little rejection that I caught. Big rejection. Bigger rejection. It's just testing this whole area over and over and over again. All right, here's another saucy box rejection. All right, that one, this little pocket right here was kind of funky, but it's been working out. It's been playing out really nice. Yeah, it was just beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful zones to mess around with and have fun with. And she's just testing it again. We're done. I'm done. Whoa. Well, there went the power. For a second, I'm still connected, right? Whoa! It just had that was a good rejection right there. I still have one runner running. One runner running. It hasn't gotten trailed out yet. That rejection there just trailed out. Well, no, it hasn't trailed out yet. It's at freaking 500. And it's about to get trailed out. And there went. It went. I missed. I couldn't do anything with that pull down. It pulled all the way back down to 85 and then pulled all the way back up. Whatever. I'm done. I'm done. All right, for real. I got Strat 6 twice last night and had to call it. Ended the night 180. There you go, Zany. And it ran up daily. Hey, Zany, green is green. Right? You still ended 180 after taking 2 L's or taking a Strat 6. That's a win. Maestro, now when you said you don't trade against gravity, you said if the price enter it in so here's like a little bit of sauce with gravity, right? You can play the inside like an orb. You can, right? Got a top, a mid, and a bottom. You can. Do I? No, I don't. Right? I just don't play against it. Right? You see midline touches, midline rejections, bottom rejections, things like that. I just don't play. Like I'm not gonna take a long against the sauce box personally. I want it to break out. I want it to clear out and then retest and then hold, right? If it breaks out, I want to see it hold that mid or that top, kind of like that just a little bit, right? Where I'm just, I don't want to give out too much either. That's what I'm looking at it like, right? But I don't play inside of it too much just because it tends to be very tight, right? Very small space in there. So you could easily get in late and then get wicked out, things like that. So it has to clear, it has to break out of it clearly. Picture what? Picture the animated clips.
YouTube. Word
Oh,
of the day is Friday. Word of the day is Friday on YouTube.
Yeah, that Carinito thing. She's actually talking about it. That thing is brutal, guys. It's like a whip with metal and like what's that shit? The barbed wire. That's the word, barbed wire. It's like barbed wire on the end of a whip. But it's a cultural thing, you know, and they're used to that stuff. Like like it's brutal looking, but they don't, you know, they don't do it no more. It was like an old school thing. But you know. But they don't use the same one. Like your dad had that metal one. They still use that one no more, or no? It's a different one. It's not like it's not metal anymore, right? It still is. Oh shit! The good thing I didn't see that one. Yeah, I know when I heard when we were over there, and you would hear the kids like, and you hear the screams. I was just like, oh man, I feel so bad. All right, you already got the YouTube running.
Yeah.
All right, let me get a Discord winner. All right, Jasmine Corin. Let's see. What are we giving away right now?
I don't know, mods. What do we have?
Yeah, what do we got to give away? All right, I'm already gonna search for the next one. What
Jasmine,
is
you're muted.
that? All right.
Jasmine, you're muted. Sam, what are we giving away? What do we
Can
have?
hear you, Jasmine. Can hear you.
Fine. Any loot boxes and a funded seat? All right. Jasmine, get your mic working and we'll get you a loot box.
Ooh, loot box. Sweet. Okay, get the mic working. All right, next
DSS
one.
Equity. DSS Equity on YouTube.
MOT
You
tech,
won
yes. All right.
funded seat account. DSS Equity. Congratulations. You won a funded seat account.
Unmuted. How
There
are
you
you?
go.
Hey, there we go. What's up?
It's nice to see you guys and talk to you in person. I watch you guys all the time.
Awesome. I don't think your name looked new, so I don't know. I always pick the most randomest people when I do my scrolling thing. So yeah,
Yeah,
I don't think I
definitely
ever saw
new.
your
I've
name
been
on here.
watching you guys for a while, but haven't really like jumped the gun. I've been in trading wheels a lot, like trying to get the fundamentals and stuff. So this is like I
Nice.
haven't had
Okay.
any type of accounts or anything, just totally new.
There's my wife. You always pick girls. I'm on. It landed randomly. I swear, I picked random.
And Javi, you're from Maryland. I'm from PG County. I'm from Laurel.
Oh, dang! There you are. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm very familiar with Laurel and PG. So you live. Yeah, you're kind of in the dangerous areas a little bit, huh? It can be
I'm in
in
the
some
Howard
areas.
County of Laurel, so like I kind of moved out of
Oh,
the
you're in
city.
the nicer part. Okay, yeah, Howard County's nicer. All
Yeah.
right, you're safe then. Awesome. Now, Logan, you have anything to say so I don't get caught up in this whole thing again?
No, you're good. Congratulations, open up a sports. You just want a loot box.
Thank you so much, Logan. Thank you, Javi.
Talk later.
You guys have a
Got
great
it, dude.
weekend.
You too.
You too. Yeah, I didn't want to get caught in that. Oh, you're talking too much to the girl. Raheem, fuck you, Raheem. Oh man.
All right, Javi, pick a word on the
picked the
YouTube
next
and
guy.
pick another Discord trader.
All right, word on the YouTube Saucebox. You guys are seeing Saucebox. It just keeps rejecting. Students already kind of know. Just be careful again, right? I'm not playing it anymore, but freaking love Saucebox. /Gravity.
All right, I'll pick a random person on the Discord with a vision. With a vision.
Boom, 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 with the vision. With the vision. What's with
You
you?
have 15 seconds. And then I'm just going to have Javi pick another person.
All right, 10 seconds. I'm already gonna have the next one on the line, and bam. Okay. MLT tag, no MLT tag. All right, next. Bam. All right, MLT tag. Yes, you got MLT tag. All right, I already got the next person in line.
All right. I'm going to disconnect this guy. Go ahead, invite the next person.
All right, here we go. El Herbo. Come on up, El Herbo. T tag. I'm already getting the ready. Boom, 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 boom. El Herbo, come on. La hierba. It's la hierba. El Herbo. Hasta si no hablas inglés, güey. There he is.
Hey guys,
What's up?
what's up? Where are you from, Javi?
Me?
Yeah,
Like, Maryland. My family's from El Salvador, though. So I got
same.
Salvadorian blood. Oh, there
Yeah,
you go.
my family's from San Miguel.
Oh, nice. Yeah, my mom, Cojutepeque. My dad, Usulut. Oh, no. My mom, Usulutang. My dad, Cojutepeque. Yeah.
Right on.
Hell yeah. Sweet, man. How was your day today? Those Salvadorians. There's a bunch of us here. We're undercover. We don't really say much about where we're from all the time. But, you know,
We are many.
I know that. I know we're here. How was your day today, man?
Oh, good. You know, I've been trading for about 4 months now.
Okay.
On and
Very
off,
new.
trying to find the right strategy that works. Really like the MOT group. I haven't jumped in a course yet. I'm just, paper trading here and there.
Yeah.
But
That's
yeah,
good,
that's
man.
where I'm
Just get a
at.
feel, right? Get a feel. What are we giving him? A loot box? Or are we giving him?
Indicator.
What do you know? Indicator. There you go. You got an indicator. So you get to
Right
kind
on.
of pick, right? Go check out Logan's YouTube, my YouTube, MVG, Range Breaker, right? Quantum, Gravity on mine, so you can kind of see which one you want to play around with. Right. I do study sessions on mine. Logan has some really good videos on his YouTube channel. So either way, you're going to learn a little bit of what our trading style is like, and see if any of it fits your, the way you think you can read the charts. I mean, what might help you? Like that's what you want to do. But you're very young in this, so take your time, man. Take your time. Don't like go in headstrong thinking I'm gonna make thousands already. Now take your time, man. Take it slow.
Sounds good. Thanks, guys.
All right, brother.
Go ahead and open
Thank
up
you,
a
man.
sport
You have a
ticket.
good one.
Indicator free for an entire week. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Oh yeah, bro.
And then on the YouTube, unprofitable but whole. Congratulations. Open up a sport ticket. You get access to the indicator free for an entire week also.
Profitable butthole.
All right. If you guys are interested in our courses or
I
indicators,
got big
all our
lungs,
stuff,
Miles. I can talk without breathing for a while.
Check out maxoptionstradingcards.com. Everybody have a good weekend. Javi, what do you got?
Yeah, guys, same old, same old. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell. Don't miss any of our shows. Morning show with Max and Lama, Power Hour with both of us, Logan and Maestro. You got Happy Hour with Priscilla and Coach, and then you got London Highs with Luca. So there's plenty of shows to hang out, have fun with, potentially catch some fun trades with. Make sure you check out our socials. All the indicator needs, everything you need, maxoptionstrading.com. Tons of material on my YouTube channel. There's material on Logan's as well. And just go out there, have fun this weekend, guys. Love y'all. Not financial advice as usual with JJ's. Was a blast of a week. See you again next week.
Thank you. Kick it.
Woo!
Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, it's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my drip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, running shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero.
Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift. We in and out quick. Am I heat of my eyes, do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Am I heat of my eyes, do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero.
Heat of my hydro. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my hydro. Heat of my hydro. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, it's a fact though. 2